position jobs are there, for which role they are looking forward, because maybe the experience letter you are good to go for, or normally say that you are rejected. But in German, hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, once again welcome you on my YouTube channel. So basically guys, I am here with the most demanding video, and before that I want to tell you that on German Gyan 1, which is my Instagram ID, there a huge giveaway is going live for the free German language course for free storybooks. So definitely please go and participate, and basically share to your friends whosoever wants to learn German. So we will be providing them, he or she, whosoever will be, the free German language course. Plus, very important, we are offering German language course more than with a 50% discount. Please go and check it out, because German Gyan is completing 4 years in the next month, 26. So yes, I am looking forward, and I'm so much happy and thankful to you people, because of you I am here. Thank you so much. And guys, today's only guys, I was live and answering your question. I just love the response you are showing me on all my videos which I am coming up with for you. So thank you so much. So guys, today I'm here to tell you that how you can apply basically for the German jobs, for the Germany jobs from India. Just you have to sit at home, you have to apply for the jobs, and you are good to go. So are you excited? So without wasting time, let's go and see how we can do it, because that is super easy. Are you ready? Let's go. So guys, basically the first step which you have to do, basically there are 6 to 7 steps which you have to follow, and then you are good to go and find out job, and you can settle out in Germany very easily. So the first step is you have to see the chance. Basically you have to check your chances. Now what do you mean by check of chances? In that particular check of chances, you have to see that what kind of jobs are in a vacancy list, because whole vacancy list will be there for you, in which you can see easily and find it out the best for you. Then you have to see if there is a technical, suppose I'm giving you example, if there is a IT job available, then on the second thing you have to search that actually which position jobs are there, for which role they are looking forward, because maybe the role doesn't suit you, or maybe that suits you. So you have to see that, and once you are done with that, we will be going to the second step. So are you ready for the second step? Let's go. Second step is very important, and I don't think so you will be knowing about it, and if you are knowing, then definitely it's a very good thing. So the second thing you have to do is basically you have to get your education recognized for Germany, because there will be some of the jobs which will be with the optional these things, but there will be some jobs which are so much necessary, which they need such kind of recognized Germany education. So whatsoever college you are learning from India, from anywhere, your education, your college should be recognized from German university, from German embassy. So you should get this fixed before you are applying for the job, because this is a mandatory, and 99% every company will be watching for this. So please go and search it out. And if you need a detailed video that how you can do stepwise, so you can comment me down below. I will be surely making a whole detailed video for you on this particular thing. Now let's go to the third one. Third one is very easy, and you will be knowing that you have to look for a job. Now how you can see for the jobs, basically you have to see the whole job list, and there are so many jobs portal which are paid, which are free. So I will be mentioning you around 4 to 5 job portals in the description box, or you can see on the screen that here you can see that which company has an opening, and what is the qualification they need, and what is the what they are paying you, and everything you can see in detail. So I will be mentioning 4 to 5 job portals, free one, not a paid one, free one, in the description box plus here, so you can check it out, and that will help you. Plus if you need the more again I'm saying, if you need any topic video, in a detailed one, in a proper video, step by step, then you can tell me in the description box. Definitely I will be making for you. So let's go to the fourth one. So guys, let's go to the fourth one, which is very important. When you are done with all the 3 steps which I have told you earlier, you have to come and write an application. Now what is application and how we can write for Germany or India's company? Then let me tell you, first of all, what is application for Germany, because we are talking more about Germany jobs. So let me tell you first of all for Germany. Now for Germany jobs, you must have 3 things with you which you have to definitely send to you in the whole application. First is very common and everyone will be knowing, your CV. Now how to next come, of course you will be thinking that what next, how we can make a CV. So if you want to learn basically that how you can make your CV in German for German companies or in English for German companies, then I have made the whole proper detailed video. Link will be in the description. You can go and learn how to form the whole CV for German companies. Second thing which they want you to put in their application, that is very necessary, your covering letter. Covering letter should be very well formed. If you need help, then I can make a whole video on how to make your cover letter for German companies. Third thing, if you are putting your CV, I have already told you with CV your photograph, formal photograph is must in a CV. Last but not the least, I want to tell about this, that try to form as short as CV you can make, plus not a detailed one line, basic main things you have to write. And guys, don't write anything false in that thing, because they cross check each and every point of yours. Now if I come to the Indian companies, then if you are putting CV with your salary slips plus your experience letter, you are good to go for the Indian companies. They will easily accept you. Plus German companies hire you in a much more period, because in India we normally see that 7 days question and answers they will ask you with the all rounds which they take, and after 7 days they hire you or normally say that you are rejected. But in Germany it takes a lot of time, may take 3 to 4 months. So you have to mentally prepare yourself for that. That's the only reason we normally say that get your job reserved from here and then go to Germany. That will benefit you more and more. Let's come to the 5th point. Now the 5th point is basically you have to apply for the visa. Now for visa there are so many different steps, and for that I am coming next Tuesday live. She will be telling you the whole process, how you can go for the student visa, how you can go for the job visa, and that detailed video will be helping you a lot. If you have any question, you can please message me, DM me, comment down below, anything. I'm gonna answer. I'm going to ask her, because she's an expert in this particular field. She normally sends my students to Germany for student, for job seeker visa, everything she normally do for me. So that's why I want to collaborate a whole video for you guys, so that you can get more and more benefit with German Gyan. So guys, let's come to the last point. So the last point is very important. You must have your health insurance. Obtain your health insurance, because in German for jobs, for students, health insurance is mandatory. You must have it, because you are going to another country, so that is must. So ensure that before you are going to Germany, get your health insurance. So guys, that was the 6 points which I was about to tell you in this whole video. I hope you love this video, and if you want anything from my side, I am open for you. Just come and give your reviews, give your comments, and I will be fulfilling you to the best level. Thank you so much, and keep showing your love, and love you lots and lots. God bless you everyone. Stay blessed and stay home, because COVID is again spreading much and much. I hope everyone is safe at their home. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.